Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking your why into place. Decide one non-negotiable reason you stop and put it where you see it on lock screen. Once done, set a strict daily cap, 30 minutes today, and switch on built-in screen limits so apps auto-lock. Make a physical rule. Phone stays in another room during focused blocks, snacks, and one household routine. These steps force friction immediately. They convert intention into structure, so temptation meets resistance before habits can run. Next, replace phone time with purpose. Plan 3 concrete activities each afternoon: walk, read, call a friend, so your hands and attention have directions. Once done, batch notifications. Check only 3 fixed times daily and silence everything else. This reduces reactive scrolling. Make reduction gradual. Shave your cap by roughly 10% every 3 days until you hit your long-term target. These middle steps retrain reward circuits by pairing choice with planned. To finish, eliminate the last leverage points. Uninstall your 2 most addictive apps or put strong blockers on them and convert notifications to email digest. Once done, create a reward loop. Celebrate 7-day streaks with real-life treats that don't involve screens. If you relapse, don't blame yourself. Perform a quick audit. Identify the trigger, add a new barrier, and restart with slightly tougher friction. Make sure to iterate. Permanence comes from repeated correction and stronger environmental design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.